Cage flyback rope and racing. Ibarra jumps quick out of the gate, running by the wheel, My Promise. Danny Song racing third down in fourth is Total Victory. Then followed by Rita Rabansky, number 4 Petrus Blanc, while Lovetail is running in the tail of the field. Out of straight they travel. Ibarra leads Balang, followed closely by Danny Song. And 4 lengths back now, My Promise. Around the outside, Total Victory, then followed by Rita Rabensky, Petrus Blanc, and Lovetail. And into the back they travel. Leads Ibarra, leads by triple double length, followed by Danny Song. And 5 lengths away, My Promise. Here comes Rita Rabensky, Total Victory, Petrus Blanc, and Lovetail. Inside the last 600. Ibarra kicks clear to about 3 lengths now over Danny Song in second. 4 lengths back to My Promise. Total Victory inside the last 400. Ibarra leads by some 6 to 7 lengths now, followed by Danny Song. Coming close now in third, My Promise. Total Victory towards the final turn. It's Ibarra in hands and heels, leads by some 7 lengths. Followed now by My Promise, Danny Song, Total Victory, and finally, it's all Ibarra. Danny Song, My Promise, Total Victory, Rita Rabensky, Petrus Blanc, and Lovetail.
Galing, di ba? 12.